Well, all right, I know you guys have been waiting for this. This is a video that's gonna be a little bit different today. It's Saturday, and this is a day I decided to kind of dress down and relax and share some nutrition for your skin with you in a video. Not something we typically deep dive into on the channel, but I have mentioned several times that I have a skin-centric smoothie for skin health, and I wanna share that recipe with you today. It's very simple, and the great thing is that it will satisfy anybody's sugar cravings. I promise you, if you have a sweet tooth like me, but you stay away from refined sugar like me, this is a real treat. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new and you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris, I'm a skincare expert. I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's your thing, and you've been looking for that kind of content on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe, hit the little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are up every week. All right, so it's good to be back in the kitchen. I haven't done any cooking or recipes in a really long time, and have never done them in this kitchen, which is relatively new for those of you who've not been following the channel. But today I'm sharing a smoothie recipe with you that I've talked about a couple of times on the channel, and you guys have been asking and looking forward to it. And I promised last week in a video I would reveal what that is. And it is very simple, but it is also very powerful. Now, I developed this smoothie partly because I do intermittent fasting. A lot of you guys that follow me know that. It helps me keep the weight off. It's something that works really well for me. You don't have to do intermittent fasting for this smoothie, but it's something that I do. So when I designed this particular smoothie, it was to support my skin health, because supporting your skin health from the inside is just as important, maybe more important than all the products that we slather on our skin. But I also needed it to be satisfying so that I could make it through that 18-hour window of no food in my intermittent fasting plan. So that's how I came up with this. It is very delicious. It's very satisfying. And again, it will take care of any sweet tooth that you might have. The ingredients in this smoothie, as I will show you, will provide 130% of your daily allowance of vitamin C, 20% of the fiber that you need, also 19 essential amino acids, as well as numerous vitamins and minerals that you need every day for your skin health, along with natural nitrates that help improve blood circulation. It also contains 16 grams out of the 60 grams of protein that you need per day. So a lot going on in this smoothie. As you can see, it is very skin-centric. So what's in this smoothie? Well, we start with half a cup of almond milk. Now, I use unsweetened, vanilla flavored. You can use plain, but a half a cup of almond milk. Fortunately, I'm using a blender. I don't need anything fancy. A blender, this is quite old actually, but a blender is good enough for this. You don't need to run out and buy a bullet and all that stuff. Just your regular blender. And then we add a whole banana. And then to that, you're gonna add blueberries, half a cup of blueberries. Now the blueberries and banana supply a lot of the vitamin C and potassium, which helps with blood circulation as well. So a lot of the vitamin C is coming from the actual fruit in the smoothie, and you want to blend that up first. Now this is where it gets interesting. To this, I add a teaspoon of Super Beets beet powder. You can use beet juice, you can use beets, but I use an entire teaspoon. And this is where the nitrates, the natural nitrates for blood circulation come from. These nitrates convert into nitric acid after you consume them, which helps improve superficial and deep blood circulation. Studies have shown that it really does work. So because we're talking about nitrates and blood circulation, if you're on any kind of medication, you do want to check with your doctor first before adding these to your diet. So we've added the beet powder. Now we're going to add those 19 essential amino acids. And I use, as you guys know if you follow me on the channel, Vital Protiens Collagen Peptides. Again, 19 amino acids. You can see where this is becoming a skin-centric smoothie, right? So we want to blend that up next. Okay. And then I add a scoop of protein powder. Now, a full serving of this, it's muscle milk is what I use. A full serving of this is 2 scoops. I only use 1. You can add more. It gives you the 16 grams of protein in one. If you do 2 scoops, you're going to get 32 grams of protein, which is perfectly fine, but you'll need to add 140 calories to this. So we're going to mix this up really well. smells really good. Then I add half a glass of crushed ice. And the crushed ice helps chill this down and thicken the proteins up, so it makes it a nice thick smoothie. It's just delicious. So you're gonna blend that for about half a minute to make sure all the ice is crushed. And then you get this beautiful purple smoothie right here, as you can see. So again, it makes one serving, 385 calories. This is one of my meals of the day. So when I have this replaces any other meal I might be having. Again, full of all sorts of vitamins and minerals, fully supportive of your skin health from the inside out. And you can add anything you want to this. You can put kale, avocado, peanut butter. Just be sure you adjust the calorie count for whatever you add to it if you're keeping calories. But this stuff is so good. Very, 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 very satisfying. I will put the recipe, all of the ingredients, and the nutritional information down below in the video description box. So here is your super healthy skin smoothie. Please, if you try this, let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. And if you like these kind of videos that are on nutrition and your skin, and maybe some healthy recipes, let me know that as well. And I may start including 1 or 2 of these per month on the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel and asking for the information. It really helps me help you because I know what you want. Also, be sure and check out those videos that are coming up next that will help you get your skincare routine in order and give you your best skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. It means everything. I love you. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.